I get it. You too are dreaming of a seat in a central university for your master's degree in English literature, right? So does a lot of students in India, but only a few of them are able to make their dreams come true. Now, a lot of you might be thinking, why a central university? Why can't you follow your dream of an MA in English literature from a local state university or even a college? Let me tell you why. Number one is the exposure you're going to get. Remember, a central university will have students from all over the country. So, the cultural exposure that you are going to get, the language exposure that you are going to get is insane. Not to mention the quality learning atmosphere because of the highly qualified professors, almost like they are leading the English literature or the literature in English in India. So, that quality is unmatched. And next is scholarships. Actually, a lot of you don't really think about the chances of scholarships. When you attend a central university, a student of a central university has access to a lot of other forms of scholarships. It can be from UGC, it can be from your state government, it can be from the central government, MHRD. A lot of scholarships are going to be available for you, so make sure you don't miss this chance just because you think of not leaving your house, or maybe you want to get a degree from your local college. Think big, think high. If you get to a central university, it can change your life forever. Now, a lot of universities like JNU, Delhi University, Hyderabad University will have entrances. Now, this is the most coveted part or the most scared part of the entire admission process by almost every single one. How do you actually crack this MA English entrance? Because let's face it, these are going to be one of the hardest entrance exam that you're going to be attending. Not just because of the structural integrity, but also because a lot of students, thousands in fact, are going to be writing this exam, and the seats are very low. It's like 40 seats, 60 seats, 30 seats per university per program. So it's going to be highly competitive. Now, how do you crack this? Now, one point is that you must have a thorough understanding of your undergraduate English syllabus, which is pretty ambiguous because every single university in India has a different syllabus for English literature. Some universities give honors degree courses, some have extra papers with psychology, maybe history. There are triple majors programs in India. How do you actually go through every single university's English literature syllabus, which is by default the syllabus material provided by the universities for their MA English entrance examinations? Coming to the next part, there will be general aptitude. Mark my words, you are going to get a lot of questions, around 5 to 10 questions based on numerical ability, verbal ability, mental ability. There are going to be questions, whether you're going to get two triangles and you have to find the third triangle from the pair. It's going to be a lot of work for you. Next is general knowledge. Yes, last year for IFLU, there was questions regarding general knowledge. You need to have a sound knowledge in that. And of course, they're going to be comprehension questions. So if you have a proper understanding, or if your linguistic or language skills are on point, comprehension part is not going to be scary part for you. If not, it's going to be something that you need to be scared of, and you need to brush up on your comprehension skills. And last but not the least, the easiest way to crack a master's in English literature is previous year's question papers. But the problem is that a lot of universities conduct their entrances through the online method. So you might not really get access to a previous year's question paper. Now, what do you do if you do not have access to all of this? What do you do if you do not have access to all the books that you're going to be needing, all the resources like internet? And with the current situation in India, like where you can't go out, especially in the southern states, there are lockdowns, triple lockdowns happening. You cannot really go out to buy a book. You will have to spend a lot of time on internet searching and surfing for the right materials, and you need to get those right materials at the right time so that you will have enough time to plan and prepare. But what if you don't have all of this and you want one sure short method that's going to help you ace all of these entrance examinations in one go? English Entrance Prep is introducing our crash course, which is spanning from 1 month, aiming at all Central University entrance tests for MA in English Literature. Now, the significant features are you will have live classes. We will pick a time and we will conduct live classes through online mode, Google Meet or Zoom, whichever is comfortable for the students, from Monday to Friday. You will also get PPTs which are prepared just with the points that only you need to understand, and not with all the unnecessary details. You will get those PPTs, you will get PDFs and documents with necessary informations like comprehension question practice or and mental ability question practice. Now, all of these, the entire course structure is structured in a way that they are entrance syllabus oriented. Now, this is where this crash course becomes very unique. Every single entrance in India regarding masters ME in English literature is different. For example, if you take a look at Hyderabad universities and IFLU's, the EFL University in Hyderabad, IFLU's question papers of entrances, you will see that both of them are similar. They give more weightage to your comprehension skills, your vocabulary skills, your grammar skills. So people who have a sound knowledge in their language can go and prepare for that. People who have a strong background in history of English literature, maybe Shakespeare, John Milton, all of that will be able to crack the entrances at JNU, Delhi University, Pondicherry University, Banaras Hindu University, all of these universities. Now, English entrance preps flagship 1 month crash course for all the English programs has been set in a way that it adheres, or it makes sure that you go through all of that at once. Now, not to mention, we will be providing you with previous year's question papers, including Hyderabad University's JNU and CUCET from last year, 2020, in fact. And we will be going through each one so that you get a proper understanding of every single question paper pattern. Now, your question should be, why a crash course? You should be thinking like that, because that's how a proper, graduate in English literature will think, right? Now, why a crash course? Why can't you prepare on your own? Of course, you can prepare it on your own. Lakhs and lakhs of students are being able to crack entrance courses. But think of the situation and the time right now. With Corona going around, you do not know when the entrance is going to happen. It might be, you'll get the notification one day, and it will only give you maybe 1 week's time, and within 1 week you'll have to prepare for the entrance test. Also remember that you need to go for a lot of resources. You might not have the money or the time, or even with the current lockdown situation and Corona, it is advisable that you do not go out of your house to buy books or anything. Not to mention the amount of money that you should be invested. Let me tell you from my own personal experience, if you are going to be buying one book or one random book or a guide, it is not going to be enough, because every single guide or every single book will only adhere to one single aspect of English literature. So you will need to buy lots and lots and lots of books and go through every single one of them at the same time, and it's going to be an expensive business, not to mention the time that's going to be consuming. So you need a class that is not only comprehensive in its learning environment, but also which is taught by someone who is a Gates humanities scholar. Imagine, Gate has introduced humanities and arts last year, and we have scholars who passed it in the first attempt, and even UGC net scholars from Central University. So they have prepared all the content that we will be sharing, and they will be teaching as well. So you will get a proper comprehensive understanding of not just master's entrance examinations, but also it will be a foundation course for UGC net exams, even GATE humanities if you are planning to write next year. Now, the course is structured in a way that it starts on June 15th and ends on July 10th. So it's 1 month, and you will get weekly quizzes every single Friday. There will be quizzes. Happening, so you can get experience of a proper test environment. Not to mention the time management skills that you're going to be gaining. A lot of students fail the entrances just because they don't know how to manage their time. Imagine you get one tough question and you spend a lot of time on that, and you forget to write the rest of the paper, or even you don't put much effort into the other questions. It can happen vice versa also. There's like a 5 to 6 questions on numerical ability or mental ability, and you're not confident in that. You write all the other answers, and then towards the end you don't know how to manage your time for each question, and you end up losing all of that. Also, remember that every single university's entrance exam will have a negative marking scheme, which is going to be highly scary, trust me. But it's not really. If you have a proper management, idea of time management, if you have a proper course which helps you ace the negative marking, you can get over that. So I would suggest, instead of spending lots and lots of money on random books or guides and aimless internet surfing, invest in one course that will give you all for a fraction of a cost. Remember, this is not just for your MA English entrances. It can give you foundation for your UGC net coaching, even GATE humanities coaching. This will be an all-in-one course which will give you exposure to all of the other courses, I mean entrance examinations as well. Not just entrance examinations, but like qualifying examinations like the UGC net, which will help you, which will definitely help you in your future and career. So think well and invest well. Now, if you are planning on buying or purchasing this course, the entire course is priced at actually 4,000 rupees because of the MCQ questions, live classes, notes, and other content, not to mention question papers. But you guys are the luckiest batch. You have a 25% off, which is exclusive for YouTube batch. You get the entire course for 1 month for just rupees 3,000. Now, if you are planning to register, it's very easy. Check the description box below. There will be a registration form, which is a Google form. You can fill the form with your currently using email ID and WhatsApp number. All communication will be done through this registered email and WhatsApp number. So after that, we will be sending you the payment link to your email ID and WhatsApp number. You can pay the fee. After payment confirmation, you will be given a Google Classroom code with which you can join the Google Classroom, and all the content, all the live classes link will be posted there. So with that, you can join the class and experience an altogether different world. Remember, it's 1 month, 1 month of sure short course which will help you gain a basic understanding, not just basic but really advanced, considering the fact that we're going through a lot of things. So make sure you check the description box, register now. Remember, this will be an investment in yourself, in your career. So getting into a central university is whole another level. It will change not only your lifestyle, your ideologies, your career. It will change in itself you. So if you're willing to do that, please do register for our course. The link is in the description box below. Classes begin on June 15th, so hurry up. After June 15th, the YouTube batch will stop, so you won't even be able to get the 25% off there. In case you have any doubt or queries, either you can comment down below, or you can write a mail to englishentrancesprep@gmail.com. Thank you.